Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia if you've never been here before, but if you have, hi girls, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. So guys, aquí ando otra vez right after work shopping at Marshall's to see a ver qué nos encontramos. What does Marshall's tell us that we need? So come again on another shop with me after work and let's see what we find. A ver qué se nos pega.
So my Marshall's is a little lacking today, besties. I don't know what's going on over here.
Look at this Kapari conditioner. I found it right now. I heard this is really good. My roommate actually used to use this a lot back in the day. It says it hydrates, detangles, it's gentle, it's made with aloe. I might just get this for doll hair. I have doll hair, so I might just pick this up. I'll put this in my cart. I found Kapari. I use this a lot. It's good. It does hydrate, but I don't know. And then you guys, I really want to try these. What are they called? Goishas products. I have seen so many TikToks about it and how it works and how like it sculpts your jaw really good. And with this holidays, you guys, I have quite the chins, so I want to get rid of them. But see, like these are like $12.99 and I would get them, but I've seen them at like Dollar Tree for $1, so we'll go there. This Marshall's of mine seems a little empty, but their clearance section is like fully stocked, so we love that. They have a bunch of like Kapari stuff. Let's see what else they have. They have hyaluronic acid, $4.50. They have this watermelon hydrating thing. I actually own one of these. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like my skin just drinks this up and does nothing for me. They have, not me dropping everything, Physicians Formula brightens and tightens, $4. I'm interested in like the brightening and tightening. They have a bunch of these hemp lotion on sale as well. They're very moisturizing. I love how they feel. They feel really high-end, high quality. Highly recommend any of these. I don't really like this specific scent, but if I find one, I'll pick it up for sure. First Aid Beauty body wash. I'm looking for a First Aid Beauty primer. We have some Mario Badescu stuff as well, also on sale. I heard this is not the best thing for your skin, girl, but you do you. It's on sale. Mainly I want to find like hair products because my hair has been going through it a lot. Sweet Like Candy. This smells so good. Yes, I already have one of these, but you should get one. So good, and only for $7.99. Pick you one up. It smells so good. Thingies to curl your hair. Yes. Valentine's Day body scrubs, $2. Okay, this is what I want, the hair stuff, because I don't know if I came on a bad day, but as you can see, my Marshall's is a little lacking today. But here is some hair stuff that I want to look at. I have hairspray, a bunch of hairspray. I don't want hairspray. I want like hair oils, you know, but I haven't seen those. I used to always get mine from Marshall's and TJ Maxx, but they haven't been really having anything. Volume dry shampoo, $2. Oh, they have this like argan oil. Curl cream. I heard curl cream works really good. It's only $3, so yes, I will be getting this. They actually have a bunch of curl creams. Have you guys ever tried curl creams? Do we like curl creams? I saw a TikTok about it, and usually TikTok sells me really fast, where like they recommend something and I'm like, yeah, I want to try it, you know. So no look on the hair creams, but look how cute these like Valentine's Day robes are. So cute. And I think they have like a little surprise under. Cute. Honestly, super cute. I love. And these are $16.99. Honestly, not bad at all, girl. Este como que no me gusta, giving señora vibes, but this one hella cute. Look how cute these PJs are, and they have the little shorts. They're honestly so freaking cute, dude. And these are $14.99. Hella cute. Need coffee. These are like oversized tea vibes. Cute. This one is $16.99 also. Adorable. More PJs. Look how cute these are, like for Valentine's. So cute. And they have a bunch of like clearance Christmas PJs. Well girl, I already have too much stuff, so I can't be getting that. And also, speaking of having too much stuff and still looking at it, I have a bunch of mugs, like un chingo de mugs, dude, like a freaking shit ton of mugs. Ooh, raspberry and jam. I don't really trust like food items from here, but I love raspberry and jam, girl. Okay, so it's mugs. I love mugs. Okay, I have too many mugs. All right, I have a whole like bins, dude, filled with them. So I don't need any more, but I still like to look at them. So we're on our way to look at them. Oh my god, the platitos. She's a señora now, so I look at the platos and stuff. So cute, dude. Look at the cookie jar. You cannot tell me this is not cute. Stop it. That's hella cute. And the little, like, for the salad, I'm just saying, like, the little side bowls and the salsa dip. Honestly, hella cute. I really like this kind of patterny stuff. My fave. So cute. Look at the fancy, like, bathroom stuff. I think you could put, like, your cotton swabs, your, I don't know, toothbrushes in here. So cute. Oh my god. Nina. Courage to be kind. Beauty and the Beast. So cute. Oh, like a little ramen bowl. I love this kind of style too. Like, I really do like it. This one too, like the blue and the white. Another mini one. So cute. Oh, para el café. Yo quiero uno de esos. So cute. Bro, there's like no mugs. Like, which honestly, girl, que bueno, because oh my god. So cute. Okay, so here's the thing, girls. I have a friend. She is like obsessed with Winnie the Pooh. So is my sister, by the way. But my friend is like so obsessed with Winnie the Pooh. I think I'm gonna get this for her. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love it. Okay, here's the thing, girls. I wish we can talk like real FaceTime talk. So she loves Winnie the Pooh, right? Look at how freaking adorable. So I don't know if I should get her that one, or they also have these little like honey mugs. It doesn't say Winnie the Pooh, but I'm implying it's Winnie the Pooh, right? You would think it's Winnie the Pooh. Oh my god, so freaking cute. They also have a Mickey one. Okay, so if you were me, would you get her the Winnie the Pooh or the honey? Okay, so since this is like actually Winnie the Pooh and it has like the little cover, I'm gonna get her this one, okay? I'm gonna get her, not me dropping it. This is so cute. It's really cute, right? Okay, I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna get it. Fine. You convince me, I'm gonna get it. But they have no mugs, girl. Which is good because I couldn't buy any. New year, new me, I drink water. Even though I work at Starbucks, do not go to Starbucks, girl. You can get you a cup that's normally $30 for $6.99. Marshalls. Look at the little decorative towels. The little, what are these hedgehogs kissing? And the little owls. So cute. So adorable. They have so much cute stuff. And look at the little kitties. I love them. And the gnomes. I like gnomes, but a lot of people are scared of them. Oh my gosh. You know what I want to get also? But there's a bunch of people there. Oh, a frother. Dude, my brain like runs like 20 miles an hour and then I can't really focus. A frother. Oh my god. $6. I can't be spending money like that, but I want it. Okay, so let me back to what I was talking about. So I really want to see like the planners and notebooks and all that stuff because I love all that stuff literally. But hay mucha gente allí, but I'm just gonna sneaky my way in there to see what I can find because I kind of want like sticky notes and like a planner maybe. These little hedgehogs. Are these called hedgehogs? Porcupines? I don't know what they are. Notes. Money, money, money. Ooh, budgeting journal. But will I use it? I feel like I want to aspire to be this girl who has this, but I don't think I'll use it, to be honest. Caffeine Educate. Adorable. If you like koalas. Fun fact, I heard koalas are like the most useless animal in the world. Is what I've heard, okay? I'm not saying it's what I've heard. Mas koalas. Okay, this is what I want actually. Like, you see all those things up there, like the little notepads? I want some of those. Like, they have like the Ray-Ban style, you know? Oh, that looks cool. Like a little pack. To-do list. Get out. Weekly planner, to-do list. Stop it. You're coming home with me. Shop? Like a grocery list? How cute. Mas gnomes. Look. So adorable. Little cozy. Little gnome. I think gnomes are cute. Freaking adorable. Cute. Alright guys, so I am currently in a random aisle so I can talk to myself. So I got some notebooks. I don't know if, okay, I'm a little bit of the dilemma because I want them, but I don't know if I need them, you know? So I have this one. Let me show you. So I have this one that says, "You got this." It's like a gym one, gym motivational one, and it's $6.99, and it has like, you can do your grocery list, your snacks, your like breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can plan out your meals, and then it also has like workouts of the week, and it has what'd you find, like little self notes stuff, like what'd you find more challenging, like little self-help stuff. But I don't know if I'll actually use it, you know? Like I had an app for a while, and my man actually got me a notebook kind of like this, but I didn't really use it. So yes, I'm not going in there. So I don't know if I want to buy it, but I like the idea of it, you know? So I'm not gonna get that. And then I found another notebook. It's a pink one. It has like a world map on it, and I think it's really, really cute. It's just a regular ass notebook, but I think I would like it for writing down kind of like my affirmations and, you know, stuff like that, like random things like that. So I don't know, I'm leaning more towards this one. And then as you guys saw, I got this one that has like a bunch of like little notepads. This one I want it, but I also do have a planner. See, here's me trying to justify myself because I want to buy everything, but I know I shouldn't. I don't know. Anyways, we're here in the pet section, and they have these cute like stuff for your pets, little worms. So much cute stuff. Oh my god, guys, you guys don't know, but I have 2 kitties. Yeah, that happened while you guys were, while I was gone. I have 2 little kitties. Oh my god, how cute. Actually, no, not the vibes. I like that it's a heart, but I don't know if I would like palos hung in my room. Look at this purse, how freaking adorable. $20. So cute. I didn't even look at the purse stuff. Just I have too much purses. Oh my gosh. I like this DK and white one. So cute. $60. Little backpacks. Oh my gosh, these are like nice. I kind of want some. $30. Not that bad. But those are too big for me.